This is the ORAP. I am Davina. Here are the stories making headlines today. Four Jamaican students who were stuck in Ukraine when Russia launched its attack on Thursday have safely made it out of the country. The students arrived in Poland today as Russian troops bore down on Ukraine's capital, with gunfire and explosions resonating even closer to the government quarter. The students were reportedly assisted by Jamaicans, including Jamaican doctors who studied in Eastern Europe. In other news, a 4-year-old boy died on Thursday after being left in a locked car for several hours outside a basic school in Rollington Town, St. Andrew. Reports are that the tragedy unfolded after the boy and other children were transported to the school by a teacher. The other children exited the vehicle, but the boy was not removed from the car. He was discovered hours later. Confirming the incident, the police said it is similar to the case that happened a month ago, in which a 1-year-old child was left for hours unattended in her father's car. A motive is yet to be identified in Wednesday's drive-by shooting in Buff Bay, Portland, which resulted in the death of one man and the wounding of another. Reports are that several people were standing on the roadway in the area when a car drove up with armed men who opened gunfire at the group. Ricardo Everett was later found suffering from gunshot wounds, while another man was shot in the leg. Both men were assisted to the hospital, where Everett was pronounced dead and the other man admitted. And the White House today said United States President Joe Biden will nominate Federal Appeals Court Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson to the Supreme Court. The nomination will make Brown Jackson the first black woman elected to serve on a court that once declared her race unworthy of citizenship and endorsed segregation. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Davina.